Now this is a very short but special unboxing video, as well as a huge thank you to Watchup69. Now Watchup69 has his own channel, and a few weeks ago he had a giveaway, and I just happened to be one of the winners. And he was kind enough to ship this all the way over the pond. So I thought I'd do an unboxing video as a huge thank you. If I don't cut myself. Because I probably should use scissors. And it's stuck. Now that really is stuck. And it is a collection of straps from GadgetWraps. And a nice thank you note. And let's take a look at these straps. If I can get them out. Thank you again. We have two very nice corduroy, one red with quick release, a gray corduroy, again with quick release, very nice, a beige off-white silicone strap, and a very cool looking khaki silicone strap. It's a very nice texture. Oh, they even have a quick release on the silicone. Very nice soft texture. Very nice indeed. Anyways, thank you again, Phil at Watchup69. I will put these to good use.